thought we were fighting the ticket on the informal meeting, right? Either B or C.
Yeah, no. If you want to fight the ticket, we're in informal hearing right now. That's what we're going to do. Can you turn on your camera?
Yeah, here we go.
There you go. All right. So first thing I do, gentlemen, is swear you in. So go ahead and raise your right hand.
Ahead of me was the defendant, and I could observe him passing one vehicle in front of him that were also turning right onto West Superior Street. He pulled into the parking spot on the street to go around the vehicles in front of him and made the right-hand turn on the red light. I was able to catch up with the defendant at the Speedway in Wayland and made the traffic stop there.
All right. Mr. Michaelik, what is it you wish to tell me?
I got an illegal passing on the right because I crossed over into, like he said, the parking. I crossed the white line of the unused parking spot at the time. I didn't necessarily think
that's not a lane of travel, so you can't use it as a lane of travel.
I see people do it countless times throughout the day. It's discouraged but not prohibited to cross a white line in a safe manner.
Okay, but here's the problem. The other cars that's sitting at that red light, if they were indicating, well, first of all, please stop smoking. You're in court, right? If we're in the courthouse, you wouldn't be smoking, right? Mr. Michaelik, I'm not talking to the officer. He's not smoking. You're smoking. Please stop. Are you going to acknowledge
that I was smoking or that I stopped?
Both. Either one. Your pick.
It's been acknowledged.
Okay. But essentially, you're improperly passing them.
Technically, right? I'm not. Because
so here's the thing. Here's what you can't do, right? If someone has the right of way, in other words, they're in front of you, they have the right of way. You can't just go around them because you want to go faster or do the turn before they do. That's improper passing. It's not just discouraged, it's a moving violation.
They're attempting to take a left. That parking spot is not all the way up to the end of the intersection.
Sir, that's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is a car in front of you at a stoplight has the right of way, not you, right? Because they're in front of you. You can't go around them by using a lane that's not a lane of travel. That's improper passing. Whether you do it on the shoulder or whether you do it in the oncoming lane, either way, you can't just pass up that car. They're in front of you. They have the right of way. You don't know whether they're turning right or going straight or turning left. They haven't decided yet because the light's red.
The indicator determined that they were turning left. That's why I shot to the right. It's a safe.
And went around them.
No, went beside them. They were halfway out into.
How is that not going around? Well, we can argue semantics. Mr. Michaelik, what you did is an improper pass on the right. Mahalik. Okay. Well, you didn't correct me before now, so I was assuming I said it right. Mr. Mahalik, I would find you responsible on this citation. You do have a right to go to formal hearing. You must ask for that within 7 days of today's date. Your window of opportunity closes after 7 days. Do you understand your rights on appeal?
This was the appeal pretty much, right?
No, sir. This is informal hearing. And then you would have a right to go to what's called formal hearing in front of the district court judges with the prosecutor's office.
I don't understand why I'm being ticketed when I see multiple people do it every single day. That's what I don't understand.
If a whole bunch of people rob the bank and then you rob the bank, that doesn't mean you're allowed to rob the bank, right?
Good thinking. Good thinking. If everybody jumped off a bridge, would I jump off a bridge too?
No, sir.
That is that one, right?
That is a lousy analogy. That would be what a not smart person would say.
Was yours.
Because
yours was
that's not the same thing. One is breaking a law, and if you see everybody else do it, you're allowed to do it. The other one, jumping off a bridge, is just kind of a dumb example to come up with. But we're all set here. Thank you.
Yeah, I'll bring your fucking money, greedy bastards.
All right.
Are you done?
Yes, sir, unless you want to be held in contempt of court.
What?
For the language you're using in court on the record.
They had to hunt me down over 1.5 miles and run up on me to give me the ticket that I performed a safe maneuver on. That don't make sense to me.
Because you may call it a safe maneuver, but it is a traffic violation.
If it wasn't
We're all set, sir.
If it was.
Thank you.